Hello, this is Mark Denham, radio presenter, audio producer, podcaster, and voiceover. Today on the audio journey, we're going to have a little bit of fun and we are going to generate the pips. If you work in radio, you'll know what the pips are. Those are the little bits that you hear leading up to the top of the hour and the news on the BBC in the UK and indeed on the BBC World Service around the world. So how do you achieve that? Well, firstly, you would create a new file. So we want a new file and we'll call it tone. And it's that simple. Effects and generate tones. And you want the 1000 hertz, the 1 kilohertz tone, which you will recognize as this. There it is. And we can generate that. And there it is. One file now, which is the 1 kilohertz tone. Now we'll start a multi-track and we'll call it pips. Insert the tone into the pips, and the pips is 5 short and 1 long. Each short one is a tenth of a second long. So we go in here and we place a cut. We'll go to the next second and we'll place a cut again. And then we just do the tenth of the second and we place a cut. We go to 2 seconds and we will then place a cut there. And you'll see what we're doing. We're just repeating this process in the multi-track of Adobe Audition by going in, adding a tenth of a second each time. We want the 3 seconds now, which will then be the 4th pip on the 3rd second because the first one is on 0. So you've got 1, 2, 3, and this will then be the 4th. Okay, so we go to 3 and 1/10 and place a cut. Then we go to 4, and this will be the last of our short pips before the long pip. So let me just move along a little bit here, just so I can see what I'm doing. Again, a 1/10 of a second pip. So there we go. And then at 5, we go along to the exactly 5 seconds. There we are, 5 seconds. The last one, the longest one, is half a second long. So there it is. Place a cut, and then we can delete the end. And if we look at this, we can delete that, delete that, that, and that. And then you will have the instantly recognizable pips. And there you go, just a little bit of fun today on the audio journey. If ever you need the news pips now for any reason, perhaps to build a news intro or anything like that, now you know how to create them. As always, please do subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. Tick the notification bell as well. I would love it if you did. And if you have any questions or comments, then you can stick them below in YouTube in the comments section. Or if you're on my website, markdenham.com, where the entire audio journey is, then you can, of course, use the contact tab up on the top bar of the website. Thank you very much indeed for watching today's audio journey. Go have some fun with this. It's only a little bit of fun today, but hopefully you can have some fun and make some amazing audio.